Falling asleep quickly is a common challenge, but there's a method known as the military method that claims to help you fall asleep in just 2 minutes. This technique is used by the U.S. Army to help soldiers fall asleep under any conditions. Here's how it works, based on real information and practices. Get comfortable. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position. Ensure your environment is conducive to sleep. Dim lighting, a cool room temperature, and minimal noise. Relax your face. Close your eyes and start by relaxing every muscle in your face. Let go of any tension around your forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Breathe slowly and deeply, focusing on each breath. Release shoulder tension. Drop your shoulders as low as they can go. Feel the muscles loosen and let your arms fall naturally to your sides. Starting with your dominant arm, relax your biceps, forearms, and hands. Repeat this on the other side. Relax your legs. Next, focus on your legs. Start with your thighs, letting them sink into the bed. Move down to your calves and finally your feet, ensuring every muscle is relaxed. Clear your mind. To clear your mind, imagine a calming scene. This could be lying in a canoe on a calm lake with clear blue skies above you. If intrusive thoughts persist, try repeating the words "don't think" for about 10 seconds. Practice breathing techniques. Incorporate deep, slow breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7 counts, and exhale for 8 counts. This 4-7-8 breathing technique helps to calm the nervous system. Be consistent. Practice this method every night. It might not work immediately for everyone, but with consistency, it can become a reliable way to fall asleep quickly. By following these steps, you can train your body to fall asleep in just 2 minutes. Remember, like any new habit, it requires patience and practice to master.